When you're a gear guy, a vacation isn't just a vacation, it's a field test. This is the ultimate test of the GoPro, and you won't believe what we found out. First, let's talk about the camera itself. The GoPro is built for adventure, but how does it hold up in the salt, the heat, and the sun? So I took my GoPro to the Caribbean to see if it could handle the crystal clear waters, the bright sun, and the fastest fish. It handled everything we threw at it, from the deck of the ship to the sandy beaches. We were able to get some incredible shots. The journey began on the deck of the ship. This is a great place to test the GoPro's wide-angle lens and stabilization. It's a workhorse that handled everything we threw at it. From the calm waters to the waves, we were able to get some incredible shots.
Bmore Fishn. Like, subscribe, share.
We wanted to see how it handled the vast ocean horizon, the bright sun, and the reflections off the water. The camera is built to capture action, but it also has a cinematic quality that can make a simple shot look incredible. The real test came when we hit the beach. This is where the GoPro had to prove its durability and versatility. The bright sun, the glare off the sand, and the heat are all challenges for a camera. But the GoPro handled it all. We were able to capture all the shots we needed to show how the camera performs in a challenging environment. But the real test came in the water. We got to see how they performed underwater, and the results speak for themselves. The clarity, the colors, and the ability to capture fish in their natural habitat. It was amazing. So, for all you tech-focused anglers out there, the GoPro is a tool you need in your kit. Clarity, the colors, and the ability to capture fish in their natural habitat, it was amazing. The camera captured all the details of the underwater world, from the small colorful fish to the vibrant coral. It's a tool that can help any angler capture their adventures in a whole new way. From the road to the coast, we were able to capture all the details of our trip. And the results speak for themselves. All in all, the GoPro passed the test. It's a great tool for any angler who wants to capture their adventures. We had a blast, and now we have the footage to prove it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the water.
Real Bmore Fishn. Like, subscribe, share.